Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. Right now we are at Hyderabad ki Shaan Golconda Fort.
The word Golkonda originated from Golla Konda, which stands a shepherd hill in Telugu. The Golconda Fort was first constructed as a mud fort by the rulers of Kakatiya Dynasty in 13th century. Later it was rebuilt with granite by initial Qutub Shahi kings, which took about 62 years to complete. Golconda Fort was under the control of Qutub Shahis from 1518 AD to 1687 AD. In the next 7 minutes of our video, let me walk you through the places to visit in Golconda Fort. For more information, please check the description.
So this is the place where you have to get the ticket. And this is Taramati Mosque. This is a beautiful mosque, popularly known as Taramati's Mosque. It's a good example of Qutub Shahi architecture. It is marked by 3 arches, with central being the larger than the rest, and it resembles the Hindu architectural kind of things. The place which you are seeing now, it's Rani Mahal complex. This is a multi-stored complex. This is Jagadamba temple. So the first ritual ceremony of Bonalu will happen here, and there onwards rest all the places in Hyderabad it will be conducted. So it will be all the ritual ceremonies. Bonalu will start here and it will ends here only. And finally we are at the top, and the place we call as Baradari or Darbar Hall, and it's a double store building, so we'll have an open terrace for an audience hall.
Thanks for watching. Hope you guys liked. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.